Okay, quick review time. I was approached by a company called KEMIMOTO. I believe I was pronouncing it right. If I'm not, I apologize. Uh, they wanted me to review two of their bags that they have for motorcycle travel. The first one that I'm going to review, I haven't even opened it yet. I just opened the box to see what was inside. Okay, it's the KEMIMOTO Motorcycle Expandable Sissy Bar Bag. It's a waterproof tail bag, has large capacity. It's also a travel backpack. It fits a bunch of different models. So you can see what, again, I just opened the box. It fits pretty much anything with a sissy bar, I would think. Comes with instructions. Nobody reads instructions. But apparently you can wrap it around a sissy bar or flat down on a seat. So there's a couple different ways you could do this. We'll take a look at this in a minute. Okay. I don't think this is leather, it's vinyl, but it looks really pretty nice. Okay. It's got Velcro on the top, pretty strong Velcro. Like that. It's a pretty large bag. Tell you what, it's very well constructed. There's capacity there. These are the straps. It's in the back. Another pocket here. It's got some sort of placemat at the bottom that keeps it a little reinforced there. Inside, I mean, you can't see in there, but it's pretty big. I didn't think it was this big. This is the 30 liter, so it's got some pockets inside also. Velcro strong. It's grabbing my shirt. So again, you really can't see in here. So let's hook it up to the sissy bar and let's see what we can stock in here. Oh, it comes with a bunch of different straps. Look at that. So this you can carry it or you can use it as a back strap also. Backpack. Okay, so you got these buckles. Two buckles on the side. Oh, I see. This goes over it. Duh. Okay. Okay, so that goes, get the strap that goes over it. That's what it looks like on. Now, we got to tighten all this up, of course. All these extra straps. But okay, I had to refilm part of this. So basically, let's see what we can get in this bag. Okay. Now I'm going to throw a couple of blankets in here just to simulate clothes. I really don't feel like going through my drawers to get a bunch of different clothes. There's 2 blankets, pretty thick moving blankets, work blankets, whatever you want to call them. So that comes up to right about here. So you could keep stocking blankets in here, but just to simulate how this straps up. And there's plenty of room on the sides. I mean, there's a lot of room here. I'm gonna put a full face helmet in here. And again, there's still plenty of room here. Velcro to top. These sides. We cinch these down. Again, you can see how it's, there's a lot of room still left in here. And I just wanted to simulate just a little bit of clothes and a helmet for a quick little weekend trip. Got plenty of room here. Okay, as far as strapping it up goes, I mean, it depends what kind of sissy bar you have. This isn't your typical sissy bar. This is a suicide chopper's bar, so it's not your typical straight up sissy bar. But you can just see, just like this, and there's extra buckles here. So we can secure this down. You can secure it down bungee, whatever you want. But there's a whole bunch of other extra buckles here that we could keep cinching this down if we wanted to. Intertwine it between here, probably be better. This is the carry strap if you want to make it like a backpack. And all these extra buckles that we could use. So I mean, you have additional buckles. You could, you have all these different rings. You could hook them up to. You could strap them down. You could use bungee cord, whatever you want. But just 2 simple straps that it comes with, plus all the additional straps, you're good to go for a weekend trip. I mean, it's got the little Velcro on the outside. Again, let's take a look around for a quick little weekend trip. Nice little bag. You're good to go. And if you don't want to put a helmet in here, you got a lot of room for clothes. I'm just showing you if you want to. Some people like to ride either no helmet or half, which I like to ride with. But when it rains, you want that full helmet. This is a great way to keep it stored and protected. But if not, you just want to stock this full of clothes, you're good to go. Without the sissy bar, if you want to lay it down, you got even more room. But this is just a quick review. Again, KEMIMOTO. Pretty good quality. And believe me, if I thought there was any problems with this, I would let you know. There are none. You got additional room. Strap things in here. You have additional pockets. So you're good to go. If you want quick access to your helmet, undo that. Undo that one. There you go. Pop the helmet out. and you're set to ride. Okay, that's on this one. I have 2 more bags by the same company. That's it on this one. I have 2 more bags by the same company I'm going to review. I'm very impressed with this. Great price. You could go on other companies' websites. There's a million different ones. You know, all your popular ones. You could spend 3 times the amount of money for the same type of bag. I don't even know if it's as good as quality as this. Saddleman makes a good bag. This stands up to it easily, if not better in a lot of ways. This is the smaller of the 3 that I'm going to review. If there's a discount code in the description if you want to get one. I get no kickback on this at all. The only thing I got was a free bag out of this to review it. But again, this is my honest review. Hit the like and subscribe. More videos coming up. Hope this helps you make a choice. And I'm telling you, it's an easy no-brainer if you're looking for a quick trip, quick way to handle some extra luggage, whether you put it on top of a tour pack or just flat on a fender, whatever you want to do. I like it. I recommend it. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one.